The Rondo 3 audio processor has over 30 different cover designs to choose from. This is how you can change between them.
To change Rondo 3's cover, first insert your fingernail into one of the grooves on either side of the socket between the processor and the current cover. Then gently lift the cover up to remove it. Hold the new cover over the microphone openings of the processor and push down until it snaps into place. Then gently press down on the edges of the cover to ensure it has snapped into place. Rondo 3's covers should be changed every 3 months to maintain your best possible hearing. There are a variety of covers to choose from, so you can customize your audio processor, including the mini cover. To attach the mini cover, first remove the existing cover, then position the mini cover over the microphone slots and gently push the cover into place. To remove the mini cover, insert a fingernail into one of the grooves and gently peel it away from the audio processor.
Check out all of our different covers at medel.com/rondo3.